Hello mommies. I want to dedicate this video to all the mothers around the world. When I see my kids' old videos when they were 4 and 2 years old, I was like surprised how I raised these two kids. When they were very so small, and I don't know how I managed my work, my kids and my household things. It's like surprising for me. Now when I see, even it's very like how I have managed to brought them up. Now they are like 4 and 6 years old. So this 2 years, I didn't realize like how fast it went, but every day it was difficult, yes. But when I look at those videos, I'm so happy, like I have done such a great thing, like I have raised up two small human beings. It's very difficult to handle humans, right? The two little humans, we can't understand them. We have to cope up with them. We have to feed them. We have to bath them. We have to play with them. Yes, it's all like a part of a day. But when now I am seeing like, yes, I have struggled a lot to raise them, to manage them. But now when I am seeing like, I am so happy, like I have done a great job. This is same for every mother's, right? You should be proud of yourself that you have raised a wonderful human beings. Yes, but like every day it's a difficult. I know I will not comment on that. Every day what we are going through, it's a very difficult task. If you are asking me, anyone can go to work and complete the work and come back home. But at home, the work never ends. There is no end point for it, right? So yeah, but what I would suggest to every mom is just enjoy the day. This day will not be the same. It will get better each and every day, right? When you are saying each and every day, enjoy the life, because when we look at back our life, our memories remains, right? So enjoy the days with kids, have fun. Yes, after seeing their pics, it's really happy. But whatever we have gone through on that particular day, it would be difficult. But what we have done on that day is very, very important. Just spend that day with your kids. Make the day fruitful. Each and every day builds a week, a month, or a year. So have fun, enjoy the day, and make the days memorable so that you can, by looking at the day back, you can have that beautiful memories in your life. Thank you.